AG Pray For You. We're not afraid to AG, and today I'm going to be doing a single video, which means that I'm not going to be doing any editing. This is just going to be like a raw video. So we're going to see how that goes. So what's going to happen is I'm just going to take a video of whatever I'm doing, and then I'm going to just go to upload and go ahead and just upload whatever video I take. So yeah. So today, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be seeing how far we can go with removing stains by using only water and a very rough washcloth. So I know that there are all these fancy methods for how to do stain removal, but I don't want to risk damaging my dolls, and I don't have the time to wait 7 hours to clean this off. So I'm going to see how far I can go with there's some gray splotches around this. I know I'm probably not going to get this off, but there are some like gray splotches on her face over here. I'm going to see how far I can getting those off, and yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my spray bottle, and I'm going to very intensely spray one spot on my washcloth. This is an old washcloth, so if something gets on it, it won't really matter. You can see the ends are frayed and all that. So I'm going to get this part really wet, and I'm just going to go in, and I'm going to just I'm taking my nail, and I'm just kind of scrubbing where this spot of gray is. Now, I'm not shielding my doll's eye or anything because it's not close enough to have to do that. But I am making sure I may spray a little bit on the face, and you can tell already that it is kind of getting this Sharpie part off right here. It's making it a little bit lighter, which is what my ultimate goal is to get it lighter. So I know that will work, but it will probably take a really long time. So I'm not going to spend the whole video doing that for the purpose of I don't want you guys to just be sitting here watching me scrub a doll's face, and I can't go into time lapse. So I'm going to wet it again. This time I'm going to squeeze it so it's kind of spread throughout. And Julia, from when I colored her hair, has a little blue tint to the side of her face. So I'm just going to take it and see if I can scrub that off. As you can see, it's already doing a good job. And I'm just going to take this on the whole side of the face. Let me see this. Okay. She does have some purple marks on her arms that I will try to get off later. But right now I'm going to focus on her face because that's what you focus on in a bunch of stuff. So you can see I'm just taking my thumb and I'm just scrubbing. And the blue is coming off. So if you do have, spraying it again. If you do have a doll who has hair that's colored in the way that Julia's is, this is a good way to get any stains from the chalk off of her face. And it's coming just right off, like I'm not even having to scrub that hard. You can see when I do this, you'll see where there's a blue tint on her forehead, and I'll just scrub a little bit. See, there's this little blue tint right here. And I'm just going to make this part really wet. I'm going to shield her eyes and just scrub a little bit, and it's already just like melting off. So yeah. So it depends on what material you are trying to get off of your doll. I'm just using the other side to dry it. But it can be done. Especially when you're trying to get off chalk or something of that sort. And now you can see that Julia's face no longer has a blue tint to it. And I'm going to go back to Molly now. And I'm just going to try one more time before ending the video. If I can do a close-up here. I'm going to try one more time. Again, this is really raw, so I'm sorry about if the quality's awful. But look, I'm just taking my thing, and I'm putting it right here, and I'm squeezing it through till water comes out on the other side to my hand. And then I'm going to take my thumbnail, and I'm just going to kind of just very lightly scratch at it. And scrub, and you can see this spot is getting smaller and smaller. And if I keep doing that, this spot will eventually come off, and so will this one. But it will take a lot of elbow grease and a lot of time. And you can use Mr. Clean and stuff, but then you will have to repaint the cheek color on. And so I really don't want to do that. And so, yeah, I'm going to see if I can try to make this shine mark any less shiny. Which, there we go. I just did it. That's the only thing that's shiny right now is the water. So, yeah. This is a good technique to use if your doll has a very light material that is staining them. Otherwise, I would resort to other things, but it's a cool thing to try out. So, thanks for watching. Remember, 100 subscriber contest is going on now, and see you guys next time.